They say perfection can't be improved. Rolls-Royce just proved them wrong. This is the 2026 Phantom, and it doesn't just redefine luxury, it rewrites it. Welcome back. If you've been waiting to see what happens when 2 centuries of British coach building meet next generation engineering, you're in the right place. Today, we're pulling back the velvet curtain on the all-new 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom. We'll walk through the handcrafted interior, decode the reworked powertrain, break down the tech that anticipates your every move. And yes, we're talking price. Let's begin. Exterior and design. Rolls-Royce doesn't chase trends. They set them. The 2026 Phantom keeps that unmistakable silhouette long, low, and impossibly commanding. But look closer. The new Parthenon grille is now internally illuminated, casting an adaptive glow that shifts with ambient light. The surfacing is sharper, yet the proportions remain mathematically perfect. Rolls calls it progressive elegance. The coach doors, still self-closing, still theatrical, but they're now framed in a micro-thin aerodynamic seal that cuts wind noise to near zero. The new forged alloys feature a hand-brushed finish, available in platinum, midnight graphite, or optional 24-karat gold leaf inserts. Restraint here is merely a suggestion, and the spirit of ecstasy, subtly refined. She sits lower, houses a microsensor array that monitors road conditions and air quality, and adjusts retraction speed for pedestrian safety. It's engineering disguised as poetry, interior and bespoke craft. Step inside, and the outside world doesn't just fade. It ceases to exist. The 2026 Phantom's cabin is sensory architecture. Every surface you touch is either full-grain leather, open-pore wood, or hand-polished metal. The dashboard is now a single, uninterrupted expanse of gallery glass, a seamless canvas where owners commission bespoke artworks, mother-of-pearl inlays, or hand-stitched silk panels, all protected behind sapphire crystal. The seats feature 28-way adjustment, climate micro-zoning, and adaptive posture mapping. Using subtle pressure sensors, they learn your preferred position over 3 drives, then automatically adjust lumbar, thigh, and shoulder support to eliminate fatigue. But the rear cabin is where the Phantom earns its crown. The executive lounge configuration now includes fully reclining seats with integrated footrests, a deployable center console with a chilled champagne compartment, and whisper mode, activate it, and triple-layer acoustic glass, active noise cancellation, entire resonance dampening engage. At 80 miles per hour, it's quieter than a library. Power and performance. Now, let's talk about what moves this 2.5-ton masterpiece. The 2026 Phantom retains a version of Rolls-Royce's legendary 6.75-litre twin-turbo V12, completely re-engineered for the modern era. Output sits at 585 horsepower and 664 pound-feet of torque, routed through an 8-speed satellite-aided transmission that reads GPS data to select the perfect gear before you even see the curve. But here's the shift. Rolls-Royce has integrated a 48-volt mild hybrid system. It doesn't just improve efficiency, it enhances refinement. The electric motor fills torque gaps, eliminates turbo lag, and allows the V12 to shut off seamlessly at stops, then restart with 0 vibration. Combined efficiency lands around 18 mpg, remarkable for this class. But let's be honest, Phantom buyers aren't here for mpg, they're here for presence. The magic suspension remains, now AI-Predictive. Cameras and LiDAR scan the road 500 times per second, adjusting each wheel independently before you hit imperfection. It's not just smooth, it's surgical. 0 to 60, 5.1 seconds. Not for racing, for arriving. Technology and innovation. Technology in the Phantom doesn't shout, it anticipates. The new infotainment system features a curved, edge-to-edge display that vanishes into the wood trim when idle. But the real breakthrough is Aura, Rolls-Royce's contextual AI assistant. It doesn't just take commands, it learns routines. If it knows you have a RM flight, it warms the cabin, suggests departure times based on live traffic, and dims ambient lighting to reduce stress. Rear passengers get dual 12-inch 4000 OLED screens, noise-cancelling wireless headphones, and sanctuary mode, that seals the cabin from digital distractions, silences, notifications, and plays biologically optimized soundscapes to lower heart rate. Driver assistance? Full level 3 highway autonomy is available, with hands-free cruising, predictive lane changes, and collision mitigation. But let's be real, you're not buying a Phantom to drive yourself, you're buying it to be driven. Price, trims, and availability. So, what does it cost to own the apex of automotive luxury? The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom starts at $525,000 before options. But let's be honest, no one buys a Phantom at MSRP through the Bespoke program. It's entirely common to cross $800,000. We're talking hand-painted coach lines, custom starlight headliners mapped to your birth chart, monogrammed lambswool floor mats, and a personalized fragrance system calibrated to your signature scent. Deliveries begin in Q3 2026, with an initial allocation of 1,200 units worldwide. Rolls-Royce is already reporting a 90% deposit rate for the first production year. This isn't a car you wait for, you reserve it. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom isn't just a car, it's a statement, a rolling sanctuary, a testament to what happens when craftsmanship meets innovation. And when every detail is treated as sacred, it doesn't compete with luxury sedans. It exists in a category of one. If this breakdown gave you a closer look at the king of the road, hit like, subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most extraordinary automobiles, and tell me below, what's the one bespoke feature you did to your Phantom? I read every comment. Until next time, keep dreaming in first class. I'll see you on the next one.